Welcome back to Autoscope. Volvo Motorhome 2026. Outside Aerodynamics, a shape with smooth lines and few protrusions that is extremely aerodynamic for fuel or electric efficiency. Lighting, stylish full LED taillights, and Volvo's recognizable adaptive LED headlights, also known as Thor's hammer. Windows, large double-pane windows with the potential for smart privacy glass with an adjustable opacity for better thermal and acoustic insulation. External features include an integrated electric awning, a large, easily accessible external storage compartment, concealed utility connections, water, wastewater, and electricity, and integrated solar panels on the roof for extra charging. Interior materials, premium and eco-friendly materials are used. Interior lighting, LED ambient lighting that can be adjusted in intensity and temperature from warm to cool, producing a variety of moods. Kitchen, induction stoves with 2 or 3 burners, microwaves and ovens combined, with a large refrigerator and built-in freezer, a stainless steel sink with a water filter and a clean water tap. Clever way to store groceries and utensils. Large counter that can be folded out. Permanent king-size or queen-size bed with premium mattress. An extra bed can be made out of the cozy sofa and armchair. Full electric PHEV. High-end models are probably going to be totally electric, with fast charging and a large range for 100 to 600 kilometers on a single charge. Plug-in hybrid PHEV. This option is also anticipated to be available, offering flexibility for long-distance driving by combining an electric motor and battery with an economical diesel or gasoline. 9. Autonomous drive, outfitted with the cutting-edge autonomous driving technology from Volvo. When braking, the regenerative braking system transforms kinetic energy into electrical energy to replenish the battery. The next-generation Sensus Connect is a big, tablet-like infotainment system that integrates Google Automotive Services. 5G connectivity, a powerful integrated Wi-Fi hotspot that enables smooth remote enjoyment and work.